In-space flip-up leather mask, suitable for narrow spaces. Split leather material, durable, soft, and elastic. Excellent resistance to abrasion and heat. Comfortable eye cushion. Comfortable 3D sponge cushion eases face pressure. Fits well with half-face respirators and glasses. T-shaped headgear, reducing pressure and ensuring a secure fit. Suitable for narrow spaces. Leather mask works with auto-darkening filters and shade glasses. Flip-up design. Easy lift cover for seamless welding to grinding transition. Foldable and portable. Compact and portable, offers convenient storage.